Good morning from Chicago, the risk management capital of the world. I'm Alan Nuckman with Trading Advantage with your morning market stir for Monday, November 4th. Well, stocks had a positive close on Friday, ended up having a positive week. E-mini S&P up 0.3%, finished up 3 3/4 on the day at 1754 and 3/4, just above the week before. Actually ended up gaining 0.3% on the week as well. The high was 1761 and the low was 1747 on the session to keep an eye on from there. The Dow led the way, up 65 points, 15,542, up 0.3% for the week as well. And the Nasdaq was down on Friday and lost 0.5% or 0.5% on the week, closed at 3368 in the Nasdaq after making those new highs at 3408. It did close negative. Looking at the dollar, that's the big story, up another 55 points, 80.81, so solidly above that 80 pivot level. That drove the euro currency down 99, 134.93. The euro currency lost 298 points on the week last week, and we've talked about that 136 pivot on a weekly basis. We'll want to see if it can push back above to resume this uptrend. Bonds lost a full point, 133.24 on the session there. We had crude oil off, making some new relative lows, the lowest we've been since July here, 94.61 down to $1.77. 94.36 was the session low, so those are new multi-month lows to keep an eye on. And gold, with that stronger dollar, gave back another $10, 13.13. It had a low of 13.05 on the session and ended up losing $39 on the week. So again, after a new record week, where do things stand on this Monday morning to start a new trading day and a new trading week? Well, we're positive once again. We're at 1759, up 4 in the E-mini S&P. We're up 33 in the Dow futures for 15,575, and now we're up 13 in the Nasdaq at 3381. The dollar's given back a little bit of the gains, 80.69 down 13. That's pushed the euro currency up 15 at 135.08. Bonds are 133.29 with the yield on the 30-year Treasury at 3.69% and the yield on the highly followed 10-year note at 2.61. And here we go with crude. Crude oil's down another 18 cents right now at 94.93. Crude oil seems like it lost a lot last week, but it was $3.25 on the week. Just cannot find a bottom, continue to drift lower. And lastly, we've got gold. Gold is up $4 right now at 13.17. Again, it lost $39 last week to give back some of these gains, and it did make 5-week highs last week. So to wrap up the current action with 2 hours to go before the cash stock market open, we're positive once again, 1759 in the E-mini S&P, up 4, and up 33 in the Dow futures at 15,575. I will see you early Tuesday morning for the morning market stir to set up your trading day. Alan Nuckman from Trading Advantage here at the CME Group, where it all comes back to commodities.